Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the latest updates from ElevenLabs. What's new in 2025, what's improved, and what's changed that could impact creators like you and me. If you like keeping up with the latest tech tools, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming breakdowns. First, a major update. 11v3, the newest text-to-speech model from ElevenLabs, was released in 2025. This model brings the most expressive speech generation the platform has offered yet, meaning the AI won't just read your text, it can perform it. With V3, you get features like inline audio tags, allowing you to add natural-sounding tone shifts, emotion, and even non-verbal effects to narration or dialogue. That's huge if you're doing storytelling, animated content, or anything where emotion and nuance matter. Along with that, V3 now supports over 70 languages, dramatically expanding the reach and flexibility of ElevenLabs. Great for creators with an international or multilingual audience. Another important update: better support for multi-speaker dialogue and realistic conversational flow. With the new model, you can create dialogues that feel natural, with tone shifts, interruptions, multiple voices. So whether you're producing a podcast, audiobook, or video with characters, the audio feels more alive and less robotic. Beyond the voice model itself, ElevenLabs also expanded its tools under the hood. For example, they added a speech-to-text API supporting 99 languages. Useful if you need transcription or want to build voice agents or tools combining speech input and AI processing. In addition, on the user experience side, the web app now includes dark mode, and improvements were made to project exporting and management, like longer token limits for long projects, better language detection, and improved voice cloning previews. These help if you're working on bigger or longer-term voice narration projects. But with change comes caution. Older TTS models have been deprecated and are scheduled for removal by the end of 2025. That means to keep using the platform smoothly, migrating to newer models like V3 is recommended. So bottom line, 2025 is a big year for ElevenLabs. If you haven't checked it out recently, this might be the right moment. New expressive voices, multilingual support, dialogue and emotion controls, better tools for transcription and voice management. It's powerful for video creators, podcasters, storytellers, and developers. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with other creators, and subscribe for more tech updates and AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.